Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna reveal to you one of my lockdown COVID-19 pandemic purchase. All I can tell you is that it is Chanel, it is vintage, and it is absolutely amazing. So just keep watching. I will tell you and show you every single detail. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna reveal to you my COVID-19 bag. I can tell you this one, it's not the only one I bought. There are some other bags coming. I didn't buy a lot during this lockdown because I was really scared about the shipping and everything. This bag, I bought it on eBay. A really reputable seller that I know well because it's not my first time buying stuff with him, and I received it after like 3 or 4 days because the seller shipped with DHL, so it's like super fast, and yeah, it was just like perfect. So this is the package I received, and let me show you. And I can already tell you that the bag is not perfect. It needs to go to the repair and the leather shop because it's not perfect. But let me show you, and whoops, you will understand why I bought it anyway. So I received it, in this DHL package, some silk paper, and okay, this is what I am talking about. So this is a gorgeous vintage Chanel handbag in black leather. Look how, the bag looks almost like brand new. It's simply amazing. So this little cutie looks really nice, but there is a small big problem with it. The problem with this bag is that the strap is, it needs to, to be repaired because it's supposed to be, like here, like this one, and the little strap, like just came out. I know for some people this would be like, no, I'm not going to buy a Chanel bag with another broken strap, but you can see this is not like a big deal. Even if I'm sure I can myself take some glue and glue this together and the bag will be like amazing. But no, I'm not going to do this because I'm not crazy, and I prefer to take it to the leather shop. Otherwise, it is Chanel. I don't know if you can see the stamp, and the other side it's written made in Italy, and if my memory is good, yes, the stamp is here. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets. It's a 7-digit starting with 1, so it's normally from the early 90s. I don't know if I will be able to show you how old the stamp is. Let me, yeah, so this is how it looks. And when I saw this bag, it was in the morning, and I saw that a lot of people was checking this listing, and I was like, oh my god, what should I do? And of course the bag is a little bit broke, but I bought it because this bag cost less than $600. It was around 530 or 80, and I paid around 30 for the taxes, so around $600. And seriously, $600 for a vintage Chanel is just like amazing. I mean, where can you find an amazing bag like this one for $600? It's just impossible. And as you can see, you can actually wear this as a little clutch, and if the straps work, you can wear it as, you know, a normal handbag. And I will send it to the leather shop, so I will, you know, have the strap fixed, and I will have a new little Chanel, vintage Chanel bag. And what I really, you know, I was a little bit hesitating about this one. It's because of the shape. I was like, I'm not sure I will like it. But I mean, it's always nice, you know, to have some different bags in your collection, and I think the shape is really original. I saw almost the same one on eBay, but it's like a crocodile, etc., and it was like super expensive. And I don't know, I really like this one. What do you guys think about it? Do you think it was a good purchase or not really? Or maybe I should like have passed on this one, I don't know. And as you can see, it's like really thin, but it fits like a lot of things when you know, just put your things inside. And yeah, I can't wait, you know, to have this bag prepared so I can do a full reveal. But you know, I just put some paper inside, and this is how it looks. So guys, let me know in the comment box what you think about it. I can wait, you know, to receive it from the leather shop, so I can do a full reveal and decide if it was a smart or a stupid purchase. Not sure yet. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a little thumbs up if you liked it. Gros bisous, and I see you in my next video. Bye!